Hello everyone, my name is Carolina. Welcome to TED Talks. Today on TED Talk I will be talking about optical illusions and how it works. Well, first of all, what is an optical illusion? Its definition is an experience of seeming to see something that does not exist or that is other than it appears. So basically it is seeing something that may not be there or it appears to be different. The three main things that make us see an optical illusion are our past experiences, perception, and shadow. Color is another thing that makes us see illusions. My question for you guys is, what if what we see is not really there? How many of you guys woke up today and think that you see the world how it is? Well, for all you guys that say you do, let me show you this. Do you think that the two shades of gray are the same in image? For the people that said that they are different, let me tell you they are the same color of gray. Let me show you guys the picture again and I'll show you guys how it is the same. By covering the middle part of the image you can see that the two colors of gray are the same. This happens because of your past experience with shadow and shading. Because when you see something that is shading and shadow by your past experience, the part that is facing the light source is brighter and the part that is not has no brightness. But in reality they are the same color. Our perception also changes when we see it. The object seems flat once I cover the centerpiece because before that it looked as thought it was bending. And that is one of the effect that perception has in optical illusions. Another thing that can affect how we see the world is on how much we look at something for. Here is the second example of an illusion and how our own vision can change what we see. When you see the image, look at the dot only, do not move your eyes around to look at the picture. What we saw is something called an afterimage or ghost image, is an optical illusion in which an image continues to appear in one's vision after the original image. In our case, a negative has changed to an image that is a black and white image. This happens because in our eyes we have what are called three opponent channels: red versus cyan, blue versus yellow, and black versus white. Responses to one color of an opponent channel are opposite to those to the other color. For example, in the image showed spaces that appeared bluish and the negative appeared yellowish after the image changed, and cyan-colored spaces appeared burgundy red. This only happens when you look at the dot, as you may have noticed. Once we start looking away from the dot it looks different. Here's another example of negative illusion. When you see the image, look at the red dot on the girl's nose for about 20 seconds, then look at the white screen. I will leave you guys with this. Optical illusion aren't just things that fool our eyes and minds. Some people see it as a form of art, as I will show you guys. Thank you very much.